Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make an assessment record in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login, you will find here a search bar. Just click and write assessment record. Okay. Press enter. After pressing enter, you will find many assessment record templates. Okay, so you can choose one and start customizing. I'm choosing this one. If you like this template, now if you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. Here's your template is ready to be customized. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. So if you want to make it zoom, click on Ctrl and up scroll from the mouse. Ctrl plus up scroll, it will zoom like this. Now you can see here assessment record, but you can add anything. Like if you want to make it less, then you can write this. Okay, you can add here your name, Imran's assessment record, but you have to make it less zoom. You can see here student, or here's the subject. So here's the student name should be like, sorry, then that not would be, that should be deleted. Assessment record is good, but you can make it another color. Going here, make it blue, it will be blue. If you want to make it bold, click on B, it will be bold. Okay, if you want to change the another font, go here, you'll find many fonts. But I'm choosing this one. Here you can see the student name. Just double click and write the student name. Peter, Alex, John. You can add any name here. Here's the subject. You can see subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Just double click and write the subject. Math, English, language, science. Okay, like this you can add your subject here, and you can put here the assessment grade. Okay, now you can see here the assessment type of grade you can add, but you can also add here the grade, like Imran got maths. Just go to elements and you have to write here A, and you'll find many graphics. Just put here A, it will be in the middle, then you have to drag it, make it small like this, and you can add it here. Sorry, it has gone. I'm choosing again, like I'm choosing this A, I'm making it small with the mouse and drag it in the frame or the space. That's been Imran got A in math. Peter got B. Press enter. Just go element and press here B, sorry, right here B and enter, and you'll find many graphics. B, that's mean Imran got B in English. Okay, you can if you fail, then you can add here, right here fail, you can add it. That's mean Imran is fail on language. It's pretty hard, but you can do this. Like just choose and make it small and fit it here. Okay, that's fitted, I guess. Failed. This is how you can do this thing to all of this space. Okay, so if you want to change the background color, you can change it by clicking on any space, going here, background color, and you'll find many background colors like blue. Blue is good shade. Here it is, you can choose any. I'm remaining it blue. So after completing your work, how you can download it? You can go here, share, you'll find download, click on download, then you have to suggested file type, then download here. Okay, so you can send this work direct via mail to you. Going here, share, you'll find here a collaboration link. Click on this and make it anyone with the link, and you have to write here the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com. Now if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make an assessment report or assessment record in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.